Incoming rant. I'm sorry, but get ready. Hey, I am Sarah, founder of The Den, and I help performing arts, theatre, music, dance, and drama schools or studios, however you define yourselves, to grow on their terms, though, so that you have a life outside of the business and more money and more time for you. So, incoming rant. I had to give you a warning, guys, because this is my biggest pet peeve. And it is when somebody says, "Oh, you're just a dance teacher." It's that word, just. No, you are far, far from a just, right? As a performing arts school owner or as a dance school owner, our job as a vocation, because that's what it is. Our job is a vocation, right? Okay. It's what we do. It's what we love. It's what we're passionate about. Does that mean that we should not get paid for it? Absolutely not, right? You know, that's like asking a doctor to work without money or a lawyer to work without money. It is no different. Our jobs change lives, ultimately. The children that we teach, they grow with, they have more confidence. They're happy, they make friends. It changes lives. So when somebody comes along and says, "Oh, you're just a dance teacher," or "Oh, what do you do in the day then?" Because if that's all you do in the night, what's your real job in the day? Whoa! It absolutely drives me insane, and I don't know when the world will change and catch up with us so that they can start to appreciate exactly what it is that we do. What I would love you all to start doing is to drop the word just from your vocabulary. Now, when I first ran my school, I ran my school for 24 years, right? Okay. And in the beginning half of the year, beginning of the years that I ran the school, say for the first 10, 12 years, I would introduce myself as, "Oh yeah, hi, I'm Sarah. I'm just a dance teacher." Don't do it. Please don't do it. Think of a name for yourself. If you're a limited company, you can call yourself a director. Okay. You can call yourself whatever you want. Director of happiness. Do you know what I mean? You can create a title for yourself. Founder. I can't think of anything right now. Why can't I think of anything? Principal. There's one. Okay. So whenever you decide to call yourself as the owner of this incredible business, then when you go out there into the wider world and you're like in a networking thing or you're at an event or something like that, then use that title. "Hi, I'm Sarah. I am founder of The Den and multi-award winning business owner." Have something that's there that people go, "Oh, tell me about that." And it changes the way that people react to you. It's really quite interesting. And this is very powerful because I remember being introduced at a networking event, and I was introduced as, "Hi, this is Sarah. She's just a dance teacher." And the people around me went, "That's nice," and then turned and carried on their conversation with somebody else. When I then went and introduced myself as, "Hi, I'm Sarah, director of said dance school. It's multi-venue, 350 plus students, and we've been running for 24 years. That's fabulous. It's a bit of a game changer for all the children that attend our classes." I had that sentence ready to go. And then they went, "How many children? What? Tell me more. What is it exactly you do again?" And then they became interested because they're like, you teach how many children? And it doesn't have to be, that number. You could have 50, 60 children, but have that sentence ready to go so that if you ever get introduced as just a dance teacher or just a drama teacher, then you can flip the conversation, and it helps you with your own mindset as well to grow in the value of what you bring and what you are and what you represent, and have that confidence to go out there and go, I change people's lives for the better. That's what I do on a daily basis. And that in itself is way more than a just.